I want to know in January, which region has the maximum sales? Maximum sales in January. If I ask you this question, okay, how will you solve this? Okay, please note that without pivot table, it is very difficult to solve. Okay, how this is your data. So let's say this is your data, and I have given you to find out maximum sales in January. So what you will do? Okay, can you obtain from this? So okay, one you have to filter on this. Not filter. Don't do it manually. It will be a manual work, right? If you filter and then kind of find out. So this is pivot will come very handy in this. So let's say maximum sales in Jan. First, what we'll do is we'll compute the maximum. Okay, so we are saying okay, let's say region which has maximum sales in Jan. First, what we'll do is we'll do max. So 2522. So we got it. Okay, this is the central region. It has to be central region, but I can't do it manually, right? What to be done then? So we have got max this. What do we do? We'll do match. This is my lookup value, and this is my lookup array. Okay, because we didn't give the match type, exact match. Okay, and then we will give index. And what is the array? This array, we want this index. You see, it has given me central region, right? So instead of we look up this match, index will come very handy. So what is our requirement? So what I will do is I will make it nested. So we'll first make it nested, okay. And then max is what we are searching. Okay. You see this? So in one single formula I have got, so I don't need these values. So in one single formula I have match, maximum value, and get index. I will get the center. Instead of this, if I let's say I want to find out the region which has the minimum sales, okay, so I can say minimum, and I can get the south. Okay. So with this data, once you have got, okay, you can do your more analytics over here. Okay. Obviously, I am now showing you manually, okay, but once you have these formulas, you can use this. So